Okay. Ayan. So again, everyone, thank you so much for your time. Good afternoon here in the Philippines. And to Sir John, who is currently in UAE, thank you so much for your time. To Ma'am Irene, I'm not sure kung taga-saan po si Ma'am Irene. And Sir Nico from Manila area. Welcome po. And of course, to our business partner from Cagayan de Oro, Mr. Dean Valera. Good afternoon po sa ating lahat. So by the way, my name is Giselle. You can call me Al. And I've been in this business for 4 years. Previously po, I used to be connected in DepEd. And na-realize ko po na at the end of the day, kahit anong overtime natin, kahit anong kayod natin, kulang yung sahod, di ba Sir John? That's why we are looking for extra sources of income. So I was introduced into the company way back 2020 and God is good ngayon nakapag full-time na po ako. I quit or I resigned in my job 2022, so 2 years na po ako full-time. So just like you po, naimbitahan lang din ako. In fact, in the company, I don't know anyone personally. Kumbaga yung mga kasamaan ko din dito is mga strangers. Strangers lang ganun. And then what I realized is that in this company kasi, it's not about kung kakilala mo siya or hindi. Important is we have the same goal. We have the same goal na of course ma-improve yung ating health and susunod naman yung So let me start my presentation by sharing my screen. Sir Dean, can you see my screen, Sir John?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So I would like to welcome everyone to our company, Renault Connect. And I'm so proud and happy that we are a happy community of growth and development. So yun na nga po yung sinabi ko sa inyo. This is my first time to join in this kind of industry. And what I really can say is that the support system is very, very good. So ako po, hindi po ako magre-resign sa DepEd kung hindi ko nakita kung gaano ka-supportive yung ating community. And the good thing is, yun nga, if mayroon ka mga pangarap, you want to improve your life, you want to better your life, then this is the perfect opportunity and organization for you. And also, I would like to introduce to you our co-founders. So we have Sir Mel and Amy Gill. They are based in California, USA, and they've been in the industry for more than 30 years now. And the good thing is that the company is family-owned. Okay? So the company is 100% family-owned, so we don't need to worry about the sustainability because of course naman, they have this business for their family, and of course, yung gusto lang din nila is ma-experience din natin kung ano yung na-experience nila. Imagine, they are already multi-millionaires in dollars. And sabi ko, sana all. But andito na po yung perfect opportunity. So let's grab the chance. And of course, they partnered. Kung familiar po tayo sa NFL or National Football League, they actually partnered with an NFL player, former NFL player, Mr. Darren Long. So sa USA po kasi, yung product natin, it is endorsed by the NFL alumni. And it's the biggest sports organization in the USA. Mas malaki pa po sa NBA. So ngayon po, this is our flagship product. We only have 2 products, okay? Minerals and vitamins. So let me explain to you what is Black MP Living Powder. So isa po siyang beverage. Can you get the water? So mix. So I will be having a demo. So it's actually a powder in form. So ito po siya. So this is the bottle and meron siyang maliit na scooper. So all we need to do is to mix 1 scoop pwede siya sa 1 glass of water. So automatically magbaband po yung Black MP into the water. It will make the water black. So what's in Black MP? Meron siyang minerals, probiotics, electrolytes, and alkaline po siya. Okay, so all in one na. Tubig lang siya, walang lasa. So it is made of humic and fulvic minerals. So 100% organic kasi soil-based po siya. So as compared sa ibang supplements in the market, I would say ours is very unique. It is very unique because kumbaga, yung mga plant-based supplements, they are taking the minerals and let's say nutrients from the soil. Now in our case, bakit pa tayo dadaan sa plants? Kung pwede naman, directly na tayo sa source, which is yung soil. So, super detoxifier, super immune system booster, antioxidant, anti-aging, and 100%. In fact po, personal testimonial ko po is andito sa tabi ko. So me and my partner, we've been in a relationship for quite long time, more than 10 years. Ito na po yung tubig ng baby ko. So 10 years po kami in a relationship, hindi po ako nabuntis. But 1 year after taking the product, nabuntis po ako. And God is good, andito po siya sa tabi ko. This is the product of the product. Yuna Ira, she is already 2 years old. And I always make sure to it na umiinom siya ng black empty because of the probiotics in yung minerals there. And but don't you worry about the products because we have a lot of references. We will be sending you YouTube videos para po later on you can check more about the product. Okay? Now we also have the strong or let's say vitamins spray. So mostly po ng vitamins sa market is capsule, pills, tablet, but in our case we are in spray form. So how do we take it? We only, for example, I have here with me the strong. So this is sublingual yung intake niya. So this is spray mo lang siya sublingual 4 times. Ayan, ganun lang po siya kasimple. So meron ka ng vitamins. So diba? So that's minerals and vitamins. More quality, more absorption, more convenience, more health, and of course, more power. So what makes our vitamin spray different or let's say unique? Kasi po, mas mataas po yung absorption rate. Okay? So it doesn't need to be taken with water, sublingual na po, and you will get the necessary vitamins na kailangan po. The marketing model naman, okay, so we're actually using direct selling. Kasi po, pag yung product idadaan sa traditional, maraming dadaan ng distributors or in between. So mangyayari kung marami pong dadaanan yung product, mas magiging mahal yung presyo. But since we are using direct sales, meaning to say yung product from the manufacturing, diretso ni po sa atin. Okay? So now we will become the consumers/endorsers. Okay? Tayo na po yung magiging artista. And the good thing is that we enjoy the bonuses, discounts, commissions, and incentives in dollars po yan. Okay, dollars kasi USA po yung company natin. So magkano ba si Black MP? Actually, product value po niya is 10,500. Kasi yung isang bote po, meron siyang 105 na scoop. Okay? So yung isang scoop, it is good for 1 liter of water. Now yung iba, they are selling it at 100 pesos per scoop. That's why product value po ng isang bottle is 10,500. Now if yung whole bottle yung bibilhin nyo naman po, it's 5,800. Pag member, 4,200. So meron kang profit or discount na 1,600. And for this straw, yung isang spray, it's 1,600. Pag member, 1,120. And you will have a profit or discount of 400. Okay? So far, so good po ba? Sir Dean, okay lang po yung presentation natin?
Okay.
Okay, go. So let me now proceed. May nag-chat. Good. Okay, thank you so much, Sir Nico. So, ayun po. Then, how do we get started? All we need to do is to simply register by purchasing any of these packages. So, we have Tech, Super, and Ultra. Okay? Pag purchase nyo ng package, you will receive the products plus already considered as member distributor ka na po. So, sa Tech package, package 1, 15,900, you will receive 2 black and P2 sprays worth 24,200. Okay? For package 2 super, 29,900, you will receive 5 black MP plus 4 na spray. Product value is 58,900. And lastly, kung gusto niyo kung mas maganda yung negosyo, mas fast yung negosyo, mas malaki yung income, Ultra 63,900. You will receive 12 black MP plus 10 sprays with a product value of 142,000. Okay? So, ganun lang po siya kasimple. So, now let's go to the income. Or so, why are we here? On top po siguro na gusto natin maging healthy, we also want to earn extra. So, income disclaimer lang po, we are not a get-rich-quick scheme. Yes, you can earn millions here, but of course, meron po tayong effort. We need to do some work, okay? But the good thing is, if you want to do this business seriously, we are here to support you. So just like si Sir Dean, he is my business partner from Cagayan. We are doing the business online. Now, if you have family and friends who want also to know more about this, mag-schedule lang po tayo. Kami na pong bahalang mag-explain sa kanila. Okay? So now, let's go to the most exciting part, which is about income. Okay, paano ba tayo mag-earn dito? So we have retail income pag magbenta ka, unlimited referral, level bonuses, President's Club bonus, lifestyle bonuses from repeat orders, travel incentives, and many. Okay, so let me now show to you the illustration. Paano ba yung system natin? Shots muna, Sir Dean. Black water for energy. So, ayan. So, sa ways to earn po, once you purchase a package, you will be registered into the system. You will be given a 6-digit tracking code plus password for your online center. You will have your own dashboard. Okay? Now, once you are in the system, what we need to do next is to activate your left and right transaction group. Okay? So, how do we do that? You only need to refer 2 of your friends. So, in this illustration, for example, meron kang friend A and friend B. Nag-join sila sa'yo by purchasing a package. So, what will now happen is that you will earn a direct referral bonus. So, magkano yung referral bonuses natin? Sa tech, you will earn $60, 135 sa super, and 315 sa ultra. Now, this is unlimited, but for illustration purposes, we only need to have 2. So, once you have these 2, you will earn the bonuses. So, tech, you earn $60. Sa super, you earn $135. That's $195 in total. And, of course, ladies and friends, make sure that you have these 2 para maging team builder ka. Because being a team builder, it is a requirement for you to earn all the other bonuses. We have lots and lots of bonuses. So now, the next question is, si A at si B ba, gusto rin ba nilang mag-income? So definitely yes. So what you need to do now is to simply refer 2. Okay? Dalawa lang po. You refer 2, yung dalawa mag-refer lang din ng dalawa. So on this level, magiging executive ka, and you will earn a one-time bonus of $100. Okay? And yung pinakagusto po namin is yung weekly cycle bonus. How does it work? The system has a ratio. Okay, meron tayong 1:2 or 2:1 ratio. Pag na-detect yan ng system, meron kang 1 left to right, you earn $30 on that pairing or for that week. Meron pang 2:1. 2 left, 1 right, another $30 na naman po yan. But of course, it will not stop there. Bakit? C, D, E, and F, definitely gusto rin nilang mag-income, right? So all they need to do is to refer 2. And with that, yung na-refer ni C, D, E, and F, most likely hindi nyo na po sila kakilala. Okay? Referral of the referral of the referral. So what will happen now, if the system will detect the ratio, 1:2, you will earn another $30. 2:1, another $30, so on and so forth. And in this illustration alone, you earn an extra income of $20,750. So imagine how you only refer 2, yung dalawa, tinulungan mo lang mag-refer ng dalawa, so on and so forth. You earn every time you help the people in your organization. So that's why kami po, andito kami, and we also wanted to earn. Okay? So, another one, President's Club bonus, one of the most prestigious bonus, pinaka-asam-asam. Kasi if you belong into this President's Club bonus, para ka na pong artista. So, the more yung magiging income mo, of course, you will also earn your recognition. So, ako po, I was able to earn 1 star, $1,000 in 1 week, 56,000 pesos. Right? Sir Jan, okay lang sa'yo, 56,000 1 week? Okay, gusto natin yan, right? Gusto natin yan. And you can earn up to 2 star, $2,000, 1 week income po yan ha. 5 star, 5,000, 10 star, 10,000, super star, 1.4 million pesos in 1 week. In fact, po yung president and founder natin, he earned 1.7 million in just 1 week time. And later on, may ipapakilala po ako sa inyo, wherein she was able to earn 700,000 in just 1 week. Okay? So, ayan. Actually, I'm almost done. Ay, ito pala. On top po sa ating President's Club bonus, meron tayong mga pa-travel. Local, Asia, Mediterranean, Europe, and USA. All expense paid mo ng company. So, I'm almost done with the presentation. I just want everyone to know what is the bigger picture. If you will do this business, kung siseryosohin nyo po, ano kayang pwedeng mangyari sa inyo? So meron po tayong tinatawag na power of duplication. So sa power of duplication po, meron tayong tinatawag na time and unit. So for example, sa illustration natin kanina, diba, you referred A and B. So you now have two in your team. So let's say for example, in 1 week time, naka-refer ka ng dalawa. But kung tatamad-tamad lang po tayo, instead of 1 week, what if gawin natin 1 month? Okay, so in 1 month, meron kang dalawang referrals. On the second month, yung dalawa nag-refer ng dalawa, nadagdagan ng 4. Okay? On the third month, yung 4 naging 8. Okay? In 1 year time, okay, yung 8 naging 16, nag-times 2. Naging 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, and 4096. And that is in 1 year time, meron kang 8,190 business partners or members under your team. Okay? Now, for each member, you earn $10. Yung sa 1:2 to 2:1 ratio kanina. So, 8,190 times $10 per member under your team. Magkano kaya yung potential income? Okay, magkano kaya, Sir John? That is 81,900 or in Philippine peso, 4.58 million. And nung nakita ko po itong 4.58 million, sabi ko, kahit anong overtime ko sa DepEd, I will never earn this much. And magkano lang ba yung pinalabas ko? I only paid 15,900. But this is the income potential provided na gagawin natin. And in fact po, since I joined this business, I already have more than 3,000 members under my team. Okay, so sabi ko, ang ganda naman ng negosyong ito. Andito lang ako sa Dumaguete. May team member ako in Kidapawan, in Bacolod, in Iloilo, in Cagayan. We can do this business online and anywhere around the world. Pero pa si Sir John from UAE, di ba? Okay? So lahat naman po ng negosyo merong risk. Okay? So we have this business risk. For example, ikaw nag-join ka at 7 p.m. tonight. Tapos meron kaming ibang presentation. Now, one of the participants or guests si A. So si A nag-join. Lahat ng income ni A, let's say she earned 2 million, aakyat yan sa'yo since nauna kang mag-position sa system. On the other side, may pang nag-join si friend B mo naman. At kahit anong income ni B, aakyat din yan sa'yo since ikaw yung nauna sa system. Meaning to say, lahat ng income ng mga tao below you, it will go up to you pag ikaw yung nauna. But yung risk lang is what if naunang mag-join si A? Kasi sabi mo, i-research mo muna, pag-isipan mo muna, ipanangin muna na ako sa asawa. So yun nangyari na unang mag-position si A. So what will happen now is lahat ng income mo, yes, you earn that. But of course, si A na yung magbe-benefit. But what about the income of B? So lahat ng income ni B, aakyat yan kay A. And you will no longer benefit on B's income kasi nga naging cost of delay ka na. For a matter of 15 minutes, ang laki ng pwedeng mawala sa iyo. So sabi ko, I don't know how to do this business, but good thing I was able to position myself first. Kung hindi po ako nakapag-position right there and then, siguro yung 3,000 plus na tao, andun na yun sa ibang tao na yun napunta. Okay? So, we are paid every week through Metrobank. For international naman, we are using MassPay. Now, if you are ready to start, then definitely we are here to help. Huwag nyo na pong patagalin mag-answer kasi kakasimula pa lang. Ang dami ba pong hindi nakakaalam nito? Diba? So we have from Manila area, si Sir Nico, and we also have Sir John from UAE. Nawala po si Ma'am Irene kanina. So, ayan, nasa pre-launch stage pa lang po tayo. So, ano kaya pwedeng mangyari sa buhay nyo once marami na po nakakaalam nito? Okay? So, with that, that ends my presentation. Thank you so much for listening. At this moment, Sir John and Sir Nico, I would like to introduce to you one of our business partners. Okay? Sir, she actually used to work in the Middle East. Okay? She actually used to work in the Middle East. And then, umuwi siya dito sa Pilipinas. And the rest was history because imagine siya yung sinabi ko kanina, Sir John, na in just 1 week time, 700,000 pesos. Diba? So hindi ko na po patatagalin. Nakamute ka, Sir John. May sinasabi si Sir John.
Hindi ko na pala kailangan mag-loan.
Yes, sir. Sir John, Sir Nico, please help me welcome our Operations Director, Ma'am Isabel Alivio. Odi, your turn.